Hi, and welcome to Weekly NewsTube, the place to find the most recent news about your favorite topics. Today is episode 1 of the Sunday Special, an exciting and fun segment coming out every other Sunday.
Here, a few wildlife photographers attached a GoPro to an RC car and drove it out to some animals. The animals reacted in various ways, some being interested and some scared and timid.
Here, an artist puts in extra work to make his cakes look like real-life objects, such as a soup can and a sneaker.
One photographer likes to board cargo ships and place his camera near the back of the ship to create a magnificent time-lapse to show the ocean, weather, and distance traveled.
Here, a cat seems interested in a bird, but it's being very gentle with it, unlike what a cat might usually do. The bird also doesn't seem threatened or scared by the cat.
We hope to see you this coming Monday for our music and art segment. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part of the video down below.